purpose of this video is just give you an overview of my solar powered gate opener. This is a 14-foot just farm gate. This system is called a Mighty Mule 350. Not sure if you can buy one just like it today or not, but we bought it several years ago at Tractor Supply. It works really very well. Only two issues I've had with it are rain got into the controls on the actuator, so I put a piece of rubber roofing over it, and that's eliminated that issue. And one day I came home, nothing was working anymore, and my solar panel was stolen. I had it on this side of that fence back there, and we'll show you a little closer look in a second. So I had another one, I put it on the other side. It's a partial shade, partial sun situation, but the 100-watt panel has been more than enough. I haven't needed to do anything else with it, and it's worked almost flawlessly, which is the beauty of solar, solid state, not much to go wrong. So we'll give you a little closer look now. Another thing you need to keep in mind is all robotic devices like this can be an entrapment issue. You should put up a warning sign. If this one says moving gate can cause serious injury or death, I've got one on both sides. There's an inherent entrapment safety feature in this device. You can adjust the load on it, so if it stalls on something, after a couple seconds it'll stop and reverse. You can also add secondary safety features like other sensors and so forth. You should always keep those things in mind, especially if you got small children, pets, or anybody can become entrapped in something like this. It could be a hazard. It's been a while since I've tested the inherent safety feature where an excessive load will cause the gate to stop moving. So we'll go ahead and try that and give it a try and see if it functions like it should. Yep, stop, couple seconds and back up. That's exactly what it should do. This is the sign I put on the gate. I've got one on both sides. Just wired it with some galvanized wire in there. I've had to replace them. These are aluminum and it should last longer. I had a paper one on there before and it got weathered away. You can get these from Amazon, that's where I got these. There's probably other places you can get them. But it does warn you that the moving gate can cause serious injury or death. It's very important because these things can be dangerous. So what we got set up here is I've got a wireless keypad on this gate post. And there's no other wires connected, it's battery operated. You just punch in a code, makes it work, just like this. And if I hit another button, any of them, it'll stop. Hit it again, it'll come back. And so it works pretty well. Also have these wireless remote controls. We've got several of them for each of our vehicles, and these work pretty good too. So we'll take a look at the other side. Before we do that, let me point out that on the back side of this post is wireless receiver. Down there is a deep cycle battery, store the power. And against that tree over there, I've got a 100-watt solar panel. Just a little closer look at the actuator. Actually, I found it to be very high quality. It mounts here on your gate with a little bracket you can adjust for in case it gets out of the right location. And over here is a bracket mount to the gate post. This is easily removable with a cotter pin here. If something happens to it, you can take it loose. And of course, I guess someone could reach around if they knew to do that and disconnect that and open the gate, but you'll find that occasionally you might need to do that. Wireless transmitters on the other side, like I pointed out. There's our battery. We'll go on the other side of the fence, take a closer look. We'll also take a closer look at the solar panel. This is just a 100-watt solar panel. I think I got it off Amazon. I don't remember. It's been so long since I bought it. Nice thing about solar is they just keep on working. Don't even have to really clean it. Generates enough energy to operate this gate numerous times a day without any problem. Fence doesn't bother it. It's a little harder for somebody to get to it to clip the wires off to steal it, and so that's why it's behind the fence. We'll look on the back side of things here. This is the back side of the solar panel. I really need to chain it down. I haven't done that, but on the other, being on this side of the fence makes it a little harder for a thief to get to it. Unfortunately, we have to deal with those things. We do have a horse and a goat here. So far, they haven't really bothered this. This is a little closer look at the back of the panel. You can see from the label here, this is a 100-watt panel. I bought it several years ago. It's been long enough, I don't remember the exact time that I got it. But these things are great because being all solid state, no moving parts, really not much to do to them in the way of maintenance. You really don't even have to clean it much. It makes so little difference. For this case, it doesn't matter that much. Follow the cables down. There's a positive negative lead going down to where the deep cycle battery is. We'll take a closer look at that. This is the wireless receiver. It takes the signals from the handheld remote control and also the keypad. The cable, small diameter cable here, runs down into the actuator, which is down here below. So, and we've got a, as I mentioned before, a deep cycle battery in here. We've got a mosquito breeder if there's water standing on this. I have had a little bit of a problem with ants getting into this, but this is just standard 12-volt deep cycle battery. This is a charge controller. It takes input from the solar panel and the output keeps the battery charged, and the battery is connected to the control system and the actuator. Very simple system. And the main thing I wanted to show you about this is just give you an idea how you might set something up. Your situation might be different, but this has worked so well. I just thought an overview of it might be helpful to someone. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you.